what has been a blockbuster July for mutual fund investors, for inflows. And this is the time where all the tariff uncertainty was playing out and we had all kinds of negative headlines coming through between geopolitics and what's happened. Investors have just simply kept the faith. And you can, of course, also credit the industry for it because a record number of NFOs, new fund offerings, 30 NFOs coming in and mopping up over 30,000 crore rupees. That is what has led, let's get the data up if we can, that has led to what is a record surge of flows. Look at that number, 42,672. So the July inflow has surpassed even the inflows that we had last Diwali. That was the previous record, October of 24, which was around 41,000 crores. So it's incredible and squarely led by the NFO party. Like I said, and it's, multiple NFOs that have come together. So big AMCs like ICICI Mutual Fund and HDFC, they've, of course, had their offerings. But a bunch of others actually have contributed to this inflow number, 30,412 crores, 416 crores to be precise. Let's flip this over, get the NFO cards if we can. Okay, before we get to NFOs, and since we're flashing large cap, let me talk about this. Large cap funds have drawn in about 2,100 crores, but it's the mid caps and small caps. That's where the interest is so high. In fact, small cap funds have drawn in over 6,000 crores. Mid cap almost 5,200, small cap 6,000. So the preference for SMIDs is very much there. Now let's see if we can get you the NFO graph, because that's what's really important. 30,000 crores flowing in via new fund offerings. Over 9,000 crores have come in sectoral and thematic funds. And this is the number that I'm talking about, 30,416. Incredible. All-time highs coming in via a whole spate of NFOs, a good number of funds coming in this quarter. The other great number to look at is the SIP number. Once again, records in SIPs as well, because the total SIP contribution is 28,464. That's also a record. That bar actually should be inched up even a little slightly higher. Last time it was 27,000 crores. Now it's 28,400 odd crores. So that's as far as SIPs are concerned. And just some other trends. It's telling you that the multi-asset category is, gaining a lot of popularity. Perhaps people are seeing the surge in gold and silver prices, and these funds invest in gold and silver and other commodities as well, and in equity and in debt. So that's an all-time high for the multi-asset category as well. Over 6,000 crores have flown in. So records galore, looking very strong. That's been the equity inflow picture. In fact, let me start right there.